Yes, we do. By the way, this didn't come with instructions, so you would have been perfectly happy with that. No, you're good. No, you're gonna look at the instructions because we're not having the bike fall on someone.
No. Well, what?
Get the instructions.
I'm gonna build it, and then I'm gonna...
No! We don't have that much time. What do you need to do first? You know how to read. You're just looking for pictures.
Okay, listen here. That goes in between whatever those are.
Better not be a 6, because that's the one I'm missing. Oh, the 6 is the one you broke.
Yep.
So now lift the lifting frame onto the jack ram, place the pin on the upper end of the jack arm. We have a genius. Look at how much room there is now. Did you remember the part of the instructions when I said lift the lifting frame?
You said that?
Yeah.
Don't need those.
Now you can put the pins in. Securing pin with bolt.
Uh-oh.
And dropping stuff. That's firing as it goes?
Mm-hmm.
Stop bar connecting rod. Thing that looks like a U. Oh, here. Insert the 2 ends of the stop bar connecting rod.
This is all that was in there.
How about under the box because you pushed everything?
Oh, yeah.
What is that? You notice there's nuts on the end that need to be taken off first.
Well, now I do. Yeah.
Secure the stop bar connecting rod in place with two nuts.
Hey, I got 2 nuts.
You're going to secure the connecting rod with them? Insert the foot pedal into its holder on the bottle jack. Secure foot pedal in place using the foot pedal bolt.
Yeah.
Where's the foot pedal bolt?
In my finger.
You're going to secure this in place with your finger? You want to know what the next step is after this?
What?
Install the handle.
Bing.
Important, before first use, check for proper hydraulic fluid level in the bottle jack. Then thoroughly test the lift for proper operation prior to its actual use.
Oh, so
If the lift appears not to be working properly, it may be necessary to bleed its hydraulic system of excess air. Yeah, but we still, look, it says remove the fluid fill plug on the side of the bottle jack. Use 1 foot to step on and hold and release pedal down. While holding the release pedal down, quickly pump the foot pedal up and down several times to purge air from the system. Check the fluid fill hole, and if necessary, top off jack fluid reservoir with high-grade hydraulic fluid. Replace plug. Are there any like safety things on how to use this? Setup, operation. You gonna try to lift it? Hold on, make sure you have enough clearance and it's not gonna squish anything.
I'm looking.
Well, you gotta make sure you clear the exhaust pipe and stuff, right? So you need to get this past the exhaust pipe, but on the frame, because the exhaust pipe hangs down lower than the frame. Yeah, now just pull. Keep going and pull with one hand on that. Pull the bike towards you. Level it out. Yeah, keep going. How secure does it feel?
There we go.
Good? You don't have to jack it up all the way, because you really only need to get it up high enough to get the tires off. Pretty secure?
Yeah.
You didn't put the these down. Doesn't that stop it from...
Rolling away.
Yeah. Oh, so also you got the hooks here that you can put a safety strap on. And there's hooks on the other side, so you can run straps. So that'll make it so it's less likely to fall off. So for a little over $130, good lift, right?
Well,
Gets the job done. Now we can take the tires off and do all that.
right now.
Anyone actually trying to do this at home, just look at the instructions. If I have to go over there and do this, you're fired as a mechanic. Do you want me to try it?
Oh, I got this.
All right. Lift the lifting frame onto the jack's ram and place the pin on the upper end of the jack's arm into the bracket on the lifting frame, securing it with the bolt. All right, so we didn't need to take the spring off.
I know.
Yeah, but that's because we were doing it wrong. We're just gonna have to edit this whole part out.